Hello and thanks for stopping by. Today we're taking a look at one of the funkiest keyboard parts ever recorded, Superstition by Stevie Wonder. This is Keyboard Solos with JP, where I teach accurate keyboard and piano parts learned by ear directly from the original recordings. There are actually two clavinet parts playing together on the original recording. Today we'll focus on just the lead part, that one that everyone recognizes and the foundation of the song. I'll also show you the clavinet sound that I use when I play it live. And remember, these lessons aren't meant to be learned in one sitting. Pause, rewind, and practice as much as you need. That's exactly how I learn. All right, let's make some music. Okay, today we're going to be looking at the top keyboard. I will show you a little bit on the bottom one, but I like the sound on the top keyboard better. And the sound that I use on this is called Superclav. Any clavinet sound, but I use the Superclav sound on here, and it does sound very good. And so what you want to do is put your left hand on that E flat. You want that low one, and you want this top one. Usually when I play the left hand, I'm going to play it both at the same time in the beginning. And then I'm going to hold this one down as I toggle back and forth with my thumb on the bass. So on this left-handed part, you'll kind of see how I do it, but I'm going to play both at the same time. All right, so that's how I do it while holding my pinky on this one. It sounds good when you do it fast. But so that's the left, and then I'll toggle and I'll hold the pinky on there on the left hand. It just starts out with the drums, and then it comes in with the first clavinet part is the lead, and it goes E flat, D flat, E flat, F sharp, A flat. It's all blacks. B flat, D flat, E. It's all black. All the black keys. Okay, so you could do, or you could just do. And all the while you're going to be doing this thumb thing. So I got to show you how they both go together. Now then this one you're going to do, it does a little thing in there that sounds almost like a percussion or like a guitar when you do the Ka-Chicka, Ka-Chicka, that little sound, but it's made on the keyboard and it just goes. You just do that really fast with your left and right. You can do these 3 notes on top if you want all together, or you can just do these 2. Gotta do it really slight so it just sounds like a little Ka-Chicka. Ka-Chicka. So I'll do it again. Ka-Chicka. Call it a Ka-Chicka. And so you do that, and then you do the Ka-Chicka. So I hit that. All the while I'm holding the pinky down. Just imagine I'm holding that one down. But so they're off time. Ka-Chicka. So that's actually the way to do it right there. Just what I did. It's a little hard to do it slow, but Ka-Chicka. So you have to go back and forth. All right, so if you can slow that down and just pause that part, that's it right there. Ka-Chicka. The D flat. So you're hitting that thumb. That's the timing right there. I find myself doing that when I start it. Instead of just hitting that note, I do. And so you might want to add notes in after you do that. This is just the base, the foundation of it. Okay, that's it. That's all you do. The bottom one I'll show you. So this clav sound is okay. I like the top one better. I'll do it slow on the bottom. Just like that. We'll try it on the top again. That's it. That's how it goes. That's slowed down as best I can. There is another clav part on there that is going to be very hard to play both at the same time. You've got two keyboardists, you can do it, but very hard, very difficult for one keyboardist to play both of those parts. Now, if you want the rest of the song, if you want the brass parts, I've played this in a band for many, many years. So if you want the brass parts of it, I know that. And I can show you what I use. And it's kind of tricky, actually. The brass is, if you have a good brass section on your keyboard, then you can do this. But if you would like to see a video like that, just let me know. All right, and that's it for Superstition by Stevie Wonder. I hope you found this lesson helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It really does help the channel, and it lets me know that you'd like to see more tutorials like this. If you enjoyed this lesson, be sure to check out some of my other tutorials, including Dream On, Take On Me, New Rules, Uptown Funk, Don't Stop Believing. This is Keyboard Solos with JP, where I teach accurate keyboard and piano parts learned by ear directly from the original recordings. If you'd like to see part 2 covering the additional clavinet and brass parts from Superstition, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing.